What's up, guys? I have got something just a little bit different for you all in this one. This is just something kind of random. And what it is, I'm trying to do a little bit of upgrading to my setup here. And you can kind of see what I have and all that kind of stuff. I basically got a webcam sitting on top of my computer desk here. And then I've got this microphone that I've had for quite some time. And it's recently had started acting up just a little bit, which there again, I'm not a big sound man, but I did want to do something about that. And what I have done basically is I went out and picked up a new microphone, and here it is. I am not the big aficionado. This is one that I found. Fifine, I believe it's how it's pronounced, the K688. And this got a lot of good reviews, so I grabbed one and thought that I would just show it to you guys since we kind of talk about technology here. You watch my videos, and I just thought I would show it to you. And you can see here, just out of the box, basically it's what we're doing here, just a little bit of an unboxing. And anybody that's out there that's interested, if you're needing a microphone, check the link down below. I'll put it down there in the description. I picked this up from Amazon, and I'll put the link down there where you can go get one or two if you're interested. Right out of the box, you get your instruction manual. We never need those, do we? You got this. Looks like you've got an adapter for right here. Just to show you, you can see right on the front here, there's an adapter that threads on. The one that I've got here may work, but we'll see. And comes with a cord. And here is the microphone itself. And that's pretty much all that's in the box. I'm going to set it back here. And like I say, it got a lot of positive reviews. Everybody said that this was a good budget microphone. I don't need anything too expensive, but I did want something to try to help my sound, because what it was doing, I did not like what it was doing. I played around with the filters and stuff like that just to try to get a little bit better sound. So what I want to do now, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to put it on the boom, and we're going to come back and we're going to see how it sounds. We're going to test it out. It does have the couple of different ways of hooking it up here. You've got the USB here. You've also got your traditional microphone jack there. You've got volume and all that stuff right here. There again, I'm going to have to play around with it, try to get it set up. But just bear with me. I'm going to switch it out, and we'll be right back. And here it is, guys. I have done no audio changes as far as the filters or anything like that. I use OBS Studio for my recording, and I did have a couple of filters set up on the other mic. This one, I have added nothing. I've not changed it in any way. That's why we're comparing basically apples to apples. I know that there is some gain buttons on the bottom of this, if you guys can see them right there. But I'm just going to play around with it to see how it sounds. But basically, there again, guys, this is just a short video that I wanted to do. I wanted to test this out, unbox it, test it out, and just show it to you guys real quick if any of you guys are interested or anything like that. But guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Like I say, I'll leave a link down in the description to Amazon to where you can pick you up one of these if you're interested. Guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.